Well, the neon green box, yes, would have guessed it by now. This is indeed the Infinix smartphone, the new Infinix SMART 9 HD smartphone that's been launched in India. And we're going to be quickly unboxing this and tell you all the features this super budget smartphone has. And yes, how does it look? So this is the SMART 9 HD phone from Infinix that's been launched, and we're going to be quickly unboxing this like we told you. And yes, like you know that this is a green box, so it has to be Infinix. Okay, let's unbox it and quickly see what's there inside the box. And there you go. That's the phone. We'll come to the phone a little later, but quickly let's see what all do we have inside. We have an adapter. We have the charging cable. We also have a booklet that nobody reads. We'll keep all this here. We have a SIM ejector. We have a cover. That's a hard case cover. Nice. Now probably, so this is one of the brands that's giving everything in the box. You get the adapter, the booklet, the SIM ejector, the cover back, the wire. And now let's get on to the real thing. That's the Infinix SMART 9 HD phone. Let's just take this off to give you a better view. Look at the color. Beautiful color here. We'll switch on the phone. Meanwhile, you could see how the phone looks like. Very, very young color. Very soothing color to the eyes. And you know, when there's a slight glare of the light here, you can see that it shines a bit. Very smooth surface. You have two lenses here. And you could see that the camera module is separate from the back. That's given very smartly on a transparent module. That's a charging point. That's the speaker. Headphone jack. So that's dual speaker here. So this means that yes, there is a special thing here, which is of course that there is an immersive entertainment experience that you're going to get on this one, for the audio at least. So let's just show you the front of the phone. You could see that has a little bezel at the sides, and if you talk about the chin, there's a slight thicker bezels, but otherwise the screen is almost good in terms of no bezel. We're talking about the screen size. This is 6.7 inches, 90 Hz punch hole display. There's a punch hole display that's been given, and this is 90 Hz of refresh rate that's been given here. Also, to talk about the storage here, let me tell you that this is a 6 GB RAM smartphone, where there's 3 GB plus 3 GB of virtual RAM here. Well, this one also has two cameras at the back. This is 30 megapixel crystal clear rear cameras, which has a dual flash that you can see that it has. And the front camera, if you talk about, is 8 megapixel selfie camera. Now this is a super budget smartphone, so yes, we aren't expecting some extraordinary features, but at the budget that it is, yes, the features are quite decent. Well, moving on to other specification, you could see that this one has XOS 14. That's the UI here that's been given in the Infinix SMART 9 HD smartphone, and this one works on, as you can see, Android 14. Moving on, we're talking about the processor now. This one has the MediaTek Helio G50 processor, and like we told you that this is of 6 GB RAM, and this model that I have in my hand has a 64 GB of internal storage. Talking about the screen display, the resolution is 720:1600p, and moving on to the battery, well, this one has 5000 mAh of battery here. So that's the Infinix SMART 9 HD smartphone, and like I told you, this is also splash proof smartphone and has good warranty only in India. So that's an added advantage that you get, and this is how the phone looks like. So these are the specifications that's been launched in India, the Infinix SMART 9 HD smartphone. Anything else that you want to know, please write into comment section and we'll get back to you.